Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this pool home condo with an RV garage in Enchanted Villas for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 2688 South Jamaica. This is a small little condo complex, but they're more like little homes. This one happens to have an RV garage. It's listed for $369,900. It's kind of a cool unit because it does back to or side to a wash. You also have the residential estates right across the street and the golf course. So you can see the wash that runs beside it. You have Aloe over here installing high-speed fiber, so that's probably a good thing. Let's go on in and check it out. Looks like there's a little putting green in a common area maybe. Has a nice little pergola patio cover. All right guys, this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Has a community pool built in 2007, 740 square feet. This is in an HOA, and the HOA dues are $250 a month. It's kind of just a open floor plan. So there's no vacation rentals allowed in this complex. It's basically 3-month minimum, so you can still cater to the snowbird market if you prefer. That looks like a Murphy bed right there, so that would come down for extra sleeping. You have a cool little kitchen, has up lights in the pot shelves. There are fire sprinklers in these units. Tile counters and backsplash, RO at your sink. Stainless appliances. You also have your indoor laundry straight ahead and access to the garage to the left. And then back off the living area, you have your 1-bedroom. Plank tile floors look like luxury vinyl. You also have your view of the pool spa right out your bedroom window. Glass double door slider closet. So you have your bathroom, tile tops, tiled walk-in shower, Eco dual flush toilet, so you have your indoor laundry, and it looks like he has it set up for a little bit of an office space, which is pretty cool. This is on natural gas and underground utilities. Here's your access to the pool area. So this one, out of the 6 units, has a pretty unique setup. Has a 39-foot RV garage with a 13-foot door, almost double wide at 18 feet wide at the door opening. There is mini split AC units, skylights, LED lights, of course fire sprinklers in here as well. You have a man door to the front porch area. You have your hot water, RO system, soft water system, big mini split AC unit. So off your indoor laundry area, you have a little common area barbecue setup that's covered. And of course your pool and spa. Nothing major. but it's pretty cool to have a pool and spa. Here's our little ingress egress to that front courtyard common area. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Jamaica. Again, this one is listed for $369,900. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me anytime. All my contact information is right below this video as usual. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.